Hi, my name is Ashley Wygand. I teach second grade, and today I will be giving you guys a brief tutorial over the website My Storybook. So first you're going to go ahead and open your browser and then type in mystorybook.com. Once you get to the website, you're going to click on this button, Create a Storybook, and it will automatically open up your first storybook. Now to add different things to your storybook is first you can go over here to items, and it has different items, props, buildings that you can add to your story based on what your book is about. And you can also add different characters to your story. And I really like how this website allows you to manipulate what your character looks like so you can make it look how you want it to look. Now, on this first page, this is your title page, and since it already has a title provided for you, in order to edit that, you just have to simply double click. And then that allows you to erase what they put or add new things. You can manipulate the font or the text size. However, if you are on a different page, you just go right over to this text box and you will put in what you want your text to be. And then you can pick what style you want, and then the size of the font, and hit add to story, and then it will appear in your page. You can also pick different backgrounds that you want to add based on your story. So I really like this one. I have a new background. If you really want, you can add your own drawings. So you can draw in people, you can draw in background things and different things like that. And then over here has the basic layout of your story, and then you add pages or delete them. Now, once you are done or you want to save because you're done for this time period, you will click the save button. And then if you are new to this website, you're going to sign up an account, create a username, put in your email and password. However, if you are not new, then you'll just simply click login. And then once you are logged in or have an account, it will automatically save anything that you do on your story. But if you are done with your book, then you'll go ahead and click finish. And it's going to make sure to ask, are you sure you've finished? And then it's going to ask you if you would like to publish your story. If you choose to publish it, then anyone on mystorybook.com can be able to see it. So right now I'm just going to put keep private. Now this website is completely free to use and create your own story. However, if you want to have HD quality or if you want to download this story or even print your story, they do require you to pay $5. But I'm just going to skip that for now. And then this is my final story and I can zoom through it. You can always go back through and edit your story once you have finished it. And then if you want to share your story with your classmates, teachers, or anyone, you'll just click this share button and this link will come up. And anyone who has this link can simply type it in and find your story. So that's pretty simple. As a second grade teacher, I can really see how this website would really enhance a lot of the projects or activities I do in my class. I especially like this for when we write our own narratives or informational texts. This is a way for my students to bring their stories to life. And I really like this for my students who are very self-conscious about their work or especially their drawing, because then this does the majority of the hard work for them in creating it. And then also my friends who struggle writing, typing it would be a lot easier for them. I can also see different ways that this would fall on the augmentation level of the SAMR model, especially for science when we do research on animals at the end of the year. This would be a great way for them to present what they have learned instead of on a research booklet that they may do paper and pencil. And I'm sure there's many other ways that you could use this in your own classroom. I hope that you enjoyed learning about this website and I hope you use it in your own classroom. Thank you for watching.